Nestled in Birmingham, Alabama, Sloss Furnaces stands not only as a symbol of industrial might, but also as a site of chilling whispers and spectral figures. Once a bustling steel mill, stories of former workers who've met tragic fates still resonate within its steel walls. Visitors recount hearing inexplicable moans and seeing shadowy figures wandering the grounds. One tale speaks of Slag, the cruel foreman who fell into molten steel and whose spirit allegedly seeks revenge. Paranormal investigators captured mysterious voices, but are they echoes of the past or tricks of the imagination? As the sun sets and shadows stretch, one can't help but wonder if those whispers in the dark are indeed the cries of restless souls.